Hey everybody, it's Monday morning, May 11th, 2026. This is the Astro Excel green line, blue line for the coming week. You can see we're hanging down at the minus 10 area and then pushing down to about the minus 17 or so. Early Tuesday, then we're back up a bit to minus 10. We start to make a push up Wednesday about 10 a.m. and make the biggest move of the week to the upside, which gets to the plus 10 line and then is sideways on the plus 10 line most of the day Wednesday until it starts to take a steep dive down around 1500 on the 14th, and we get the sharpest move of the week down to about the minus 18, minus 19 level Friday morning about 7 a.m. and then it's a drift back up to the minus 10 area. You see the green line, blue line spikes. We've got really nothing penetrating to the 10 line until Wednesday when we've got this spike low at 10 a.m., the spike high here at 1500. Then on the 14th we've got an 8 a.m. low, and then that's really it for anything moving outside the 10 lines on the week. You can see I've added arrows to the chart here starting at midnight on the 11th, Monday morning, midnight. You can see I've got these blue arrows drawing this low to high pattern all the way through this week. This is an intraday weekly forecast. It's I'm not showing the amplitude here, but this is going to be the trend movement and the general pivot times for this week's swing potential. The overall bias for the week is to the downside. So I'm going to leave that there. You can see these times where these swing pivots are shown here. So you can easily identify the trend move and the point in time when that trend should reverse.